Well, here we are. It's another day. It's now been about 20 hours since snow apocalypse March 2023 started. The snowing really ended down here about 9 or 10 o'clock, and I'm not sure how much snow we got. You can see on my dad's car how much we got over there. My car is in the sun. Well, of course that is too, but it's melting. It's about 37 degrees now, and I do know you can hear it melting, and the trees are all standing straight back up normal. There was a lot of heavy snow on the pines out there, and some of them branches were very low to the ground. You can see all the branches that fell. Look at all these little branches. There was none of these on the ground yesterday. Oh, ow! Stepped down and jarred my back. Oh well. All kinds of sticks. Sticks. Out in the drive, there's a stick out there. It's hard to see in this little screen and then know if I'm pointing at what I'm pointing at, but it's out there. And you can see them all through the driveway. I thought it would be fun to stick a tape measure in the snow and see what we got. I don't think it's going to be more than about 2.5 inches, but I just happen to have a Stanley here, and here we go. Let's poke it in the ground and see what we got. Okay, that's fully on the ground. I would say it looked like 2 inches. What would you say? So, that's a beautiful day. Just a few clouds in the sky. Blue. I'm out here in just my shirt and my tennis shoes. And really nice. Gonna go see my dad tomorrow. We postponed the trip today because we didn't know what was going to be with the roads this morning. I don't know how they were, but traffic just going by now. There's no problem at all. I suspect most of this snow will be melted today and tomorrow, and by Monday it's supposed to be 53 and rain, so we'll lose it. You can see on top of my well thing there, that looks like we got a little more, and maybe technically we did. We got about 2 inches now, but that might be melting. So, oh well, hang on. And we'll see you all later. That's the end of the blizzard of March 2023 reports. We're out of here. Bye-bye, bye bonds.